This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Monday morning. Joe Vyzourek visiting once again with meteorologist Sramek at Decision Weather, as well as America's weather streaming channel. Chris, kind of unseasonably warm as we start another work week.
Yeah, Joe, it's going to feel a little bit like spring out there this week after a weekend where we got some snow when we woke up for Super Bowl Sunday. We saw temperatures over the weekend in the 30s and lower 40s and had that quick dusting of snow that gave us a few hundredths of precipitation in the form of moisture to add to our February totals, which are looking pretty good so far. And then we'll see a warm up today into the upper 40s. And the reason for that is we got a high pressure over the Rockies that will continue to build and grow here the first half of the week. And that'll put us in some northwesterly flow. Those west-northwesterly winds are down sloping. We'll start our temperatures with a warm up this afternoon, then go into the 50s for tomorrow and all the way through Valentine's Day to Thursday when we got a disturbance that'll come through later in the week that'll bring us a trough and some colder temperatures. We'll probably be back down in the 30s there on Friday and Saturday, lows going back into the teens, and we get another chance for a dusting of snow. It doesn't look like it'll have anything significant with it, but we could pick up an inch or less of some accumulation there to end the week. As far as our overnight low temperatures go, we'll kind of be like what we're doing this morning. We're starting out in those lower to mid 20s. We'll warm more tomorrow morning into the middle 20s and head towards the upper 20s before this warmer weather leaves us at the end of the week when they drop back down there into the teens. We're looking further ahead into the extended forecast for the rest of the month. We have been talking about the Pacific opening up and some systems coming from the west. That still looks like a possibility around that 23rd, 26th, 28th, a couple of them. There to end the month. Right now, it looks like these spring temperatures will probably hold, and that colder air will just stay to our north with those clipper systems, bringing some snows up in the Dakotas and the upper Great Lakes, and we'll probably be seeing a thunderstorm or two and maybe some snow wrapping into them if they come at the right time during the night and the early mornings.
Chris, last week, you and I were talking kind of behind the scenes about moisture availability as far as our soil is concerned. And really, the soil moisture right now is shaping up to be fairly decent for northwest Kansas.
Yeah, our soil moisture, with all the moisture we've seen since the 1st of December, we've kind of been running a half inch ahead here in a lot of locations, some locations an inch ahead. And that's putting our soil moisture at anywhere from some drier spots like in Thomas County and to the east of us that are 50 to 70%. But most of them are running anywhere from 70 to upwards to middle 80% of saturation, and that's going down all the way from 5 and 10 centimeters on the topsoil all the way down to 50 centimeters, a couple feet down in the ground. So we got some replenishing of our soil moistures. The soil isn't frozen right now, so it's unthawed, so that 5/800ths of precipitation we caught over the weekend soaked into the ground, and if we catch any more this week and then again next week to end the month, that should go right into the ground and keep improving those soil moistures, and our drought monitors should gradually improve as well to near normal readings or just, a little bit dry.
Once again, that's meteorologist Sramek joining us this morning here on 106.1 KYVZ. Chris is, of course, with Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For 106.1, I'm Joe Vyzourek.